What is up, guys? Back again, another video. So working on the Corolla again. As you can see, we've got some new shiny parts that have been freshly painted. So where I'm at with the car, just putting in the brake lines at the moment. So getting all the brake lines and stuff, painted the proportioning valve and the bracket that goes behind it, as you can see, and started covering the lines. So the Corolla lines have a plastic cover on there, which looks really good. And then they were like, yep, that's enough, we'll stop and leave this horrible green coloured line on there. So down here, I have fitted some cheap Bunnings self-closing braided wrap. I'm not going to say the first word because I could possibly get in trouble for saying the first word, but it doesn't light fire. Yeah, so basically you can see that, you can read that yourself. And alright, so we've got all these parts here. So I've got the rear hub assemblies there painted, ton of little brackets, so rear brake caliper dust covers, dust covers for the brakes, front sway bar brackets, power steering brackets. Power steering video will be coming up shortly. So this one is just going to be brake line and just fitting a couple of the little parts to it. So more focus on doing the brake lines and putting on the heat wrap, braided wrap to dress those up in this one. So yeah, let's get stuck in and get some brake lines fitted to the car. I'm super excited about this because putting parts in, especially when they're freshly painted, is always a good time. It's like Christmas. All right, let's get stuck in. Alright guys, so that's pretty much all the brake lines done in the front of the car. Super stoked with how that turned out. So, all brake lines, all lined, all neat, all tidy. Down here, I'm not too worried because there's a plastic cover that goes over that. So I wasn't too worried about those ones. But everywhere else, it's come out real nice. And it actually has a good turn on it that you wouldn't really get with the plastic conduit or stuff like that, because when that stuff's turned on a sharp radius, it tends to stretch open, whereas this stuff sort of twists on itself and flexes to where you need it to go. So it actually turned out really well. Super stoked. So that's pretty much it for this video. Yeah, that's about it for this video. I'll fit up a couple of other parts today and just do a couple of shots showing that in a second, and yeah, that'll be it. So next one will probably be the steering rack. Get stuck into that one, get that all dressed up and get that fitted in now that all the brake lines are done, because steering rack kind of does get in the way a little bit of the lines. So next one will be steering rack. So catch us on the next one. See yous.